Meaning of forewoman.
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 Forewoman. Forewoman is a noun that refers to a female supervisor or leader of a group, typically in a manufacturing or industrial setting. As the prefix fore suggests, the forewoman's role is often at the forefront of operations, responsible for overseeing tasks and ensuring that work is completed effectively and on schedule. This term is commonly used in industries such as construction, engineering, and factory work, where a forewoman may manage a team of workers, assign tasks, and coordinate operations. The forewoman plays an important role in maintaining productivity and driving success within the workplace.